Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Sport Crew Cab in billet silver. With sport performance hood, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 25,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, full-length upgraded floor console, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, heated second row seats, rear under seat compartment storage, power running boards, truck bed utility group, all powered by a 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5513.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.